Hello everyone, this is CiaoTool. Today, we will show you how to use our tool to create a multifunction token on the BSC. First, click Connect Wallet in the upper right corner. Select your wallet, such as MetaMask, and confirm the authorization. Once connected successfully, enter the multifunction token creation page. Let's fill in the basic information of the token. Token name, for example, Bitcoin, supports Chinese or English. Token symbol, for example, BTC. Total supply. For example, if you want to issue 1 million tokens, enter 1 million. Decimals. Generally, just fill in 18 by default. Next is the receiving address. After the token is created, all tokens will be sent to this address. You can click the button next to it to automatically fill in the current wallet address. Next is the core part, 4 optional functions. Check them as needed. First, mintable token. Once checked, you can mint new tokens at any time from the control panel and send them to any address. If unchecked, there will be no minting function. Second, pausable transaction. Once checked, you can pause or restore all transfers and transactions with one click. This allows you to respond quickly in case of emergencies. Third, blacklist function. Once checked, you can blacklist a specified wallet address, making it unable to trade. Special note, once this switch is turned off, it can never be turned on again. Fourth, max holdings limit. Once checked, you can set the maximum number of tokens a single wallet can hold, preventing whales. Similarly, once this switch is turned off, it cannot be turned on again. After filling in all the information, then click Create Contract. Your wallet will pop up for confirmation. Pay the gas fee, wait for a few dozen seconds, and the contract will be deployed. If the creation is successful, but you cannot see the token in your wallet, you can manually add the token.